Welcome to the heart of culinary artistry, where every dish is a symphony of flavors. Today, we dive deep into the world of teamwork in the kitchen. In this episode, we explore how collaboration is the secret ingredient to creating culinary masterpieces. The Sous Chef's role. Meet the Sous Chef, the conductor of this culinary orchestra. Their role is pivotal in ensuring every dish is executed flawlessly. They coordinate with the various stations, from prep to plating, ensuring every element comes together harmoniously. Collaborative dynamics. In this kitchen, it's all about collaboration. Each chef has a specific role, and they work together like a well-oiled machine. Constant communication is key. They discuss, taste, and adjust dishes collectively, striving for culinary perfection. Pressure and precision. The kitchen is intense. There's pressure, there's heat, but there's also precision. Each chef knows their part in the larger culinary narrative. Plating is an art form. Every plate is a canvas, and the chefs paint it with their creativity. The Sous Chef's leadership. The Sous Chef provides guidance, encouragement, and leadership. They ensure that the kitchen brigade operates as a united front. With the Sous Chef's leadership, the team stays motivated, focused, and ready to tackle any culinary challenge. Conclusion. In the end, it's the synergy of this kitchen team that creates extraordinary dining experiences. So, the next time you enjoy a sumptuous meal at a restaurant, remember that it's the result of chefs working in harmony, each playing their part to perfection. If you found this insight into collaborative cooking intriguing, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Stay tuned for more culinary adventures.